Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This month, Amazon makes the Shiba Inu a $2 giant. Today's SHIB news: Shiba Inu prices have been going down for 2 weeks now, and buyers thought that this was just a correction before a rally. An important sign, on the other hand, suggests that meme coin users may be in for a disappointment. We'll talk about how Amazon made Shiba Inu a $2 giant this month in this video. News about shit. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu's price, which was $0.00001068, failed to break through the decline line it had been stuck under for most of March. The downtrend line was first made when the meme coin fell back onto the charts after trying the 100-day exponential moving average as resistance. The relative strength measure, on the other hand, has been going up over the same time period. The indicator went up from below 30.0, where it was oversold, and has been going up towards the neutral line at 50.0, making an uptrend line. Putting together the price action and the movement of the RSI shows that a possible hidden bearish split has formed. The Shiba Inu price could go down over the next few trading sessions if this trend stays the same. This would cause the meme coin to drop to the important support level at $0.00000979, which would be its lowest point in 2 months. For SHIB to fall even further to its lowest point in December 2022, it would need to lose this backing. That would mean a 25% drop for the cryptocurrency. Investors who just got more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a week would lose a lot of money if this goes through. The number of tokens available on exchanges has gone down by over $475.5 million. Usually, a drop in the supply means that people are buying more tokens in the short run. This drop could also mean that people who own SHIB are moving their tokens from markets to a cold wallet. But there isn't much chance of that happening again. A drop wasn't seen even after FTX fell 4 months ago. Shiba Inu owners' decision to move is strange because the network suffered its biggest loss since June 2021. In general, coins moved on earlier this week. Losses of almost 575 million SHIB were pointed out on the chain. This is less than $62,000, but on the chain it means a lot of money. Shiba Inu prices could fall to their lowest point since December 2022 if the bearish divergence holds true. This would mean that SHIB buyers would lose even more money than the rest of the network. The people who worked on the Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling solution say that the protocol is meant to make deals quick and cheap. Shibarium, whose beta version came out earlier this month, wants to achieve true decentralization by making a protocol with low or no transaction fees, according to new public documents. Shiba Inu says that lead coder Satoshi Kusama. It is important to note that Shibarium wants to process transactions quickly and cheaply, so it will give low transfer fees for all projects that use the Layer 2 protocol. Shibarium wants to be a safe, open, and expandable blockchain that can be used as a foundation for new projects. It has been called the blockchain of the people. The blockchain makes sure that making and trading digital goods is safe and open to everyone. It's also used as a base for the creation of decentralized applications, dApps, such as SHIB, the Metaverse, SHIB.io, Shiba Eternity, and many other Shiba Inu-related goods, projects, platforms, and services. The public material also gives us more information about how Shibarium burns. The paper says that the burn process will start working after a certain amount of bone has been gathered by the protocol. The ShibaSwap, this token will be used to pay for Shibarium's gas. The base fee is locked on a contract on Shibarium when a user makes a transaction on the network. The priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split into 2 parts, 70% will be spent, and 30% will be saved to keep the network running. Users can start the burn process from Shibarium once a certain amount of bone, or $25,000, is added to the burn deal. Shiba Inu is now worth $0.000011, which is a small drop. The price of a Shiba Inu has dropped by 0.5% in the last 24 hours, to $0.00001054. This happened on a day when the market as a whole didn't move much. Compared to its 30-day low of $0.00000973, its price has gone up by 8%. But the meme coin has also made a huge 30% gain since the beginning of the year. Shibarium's Layer 2 network went live in test earlier this month. The company plans to build on its growth in the coming weeks, especially when the Layer 2 goes live to the public. Its 30-day moving average and relative strength index have been falling over the past few days, which is a sign that it might start to rise again soon. Its RSI went up to 40 after going down to 30 earlier in the month, which means it was oversold. Also, the altcoin's 30-day average is almost below its 200-day average. When that happens, it will be time for a comeback. SHIB has had trouble getting past $0.000011 several times in the last 2 weeks, which is a key resistance mark. If it can finally break through this level, it's likely that more gains will follow. Even though SHIB will probably need the market as a whole to revive at the same time. Still, Shibarium is still being rolled out and is now live in test form. This could mean that the token sees more gains soon, especially when the Layer 2 network goes live to the public. There are two things about Shibarium that are very bullish: one is mathematical, and the other is economic. To begin, the Layer 2 network will lower transaction fees and increase the capacity of Shiba Inus. This will make the system safer and more decentralized. Second, when the L2 comes out, 70% of the base transaction fee will be lost, which will make Shiba Inus burn faster. In other words, Shibarium will make it harder for ships to meet demand, which will raise the price of the coin. This effect will be stronger because Shibarium's improvements in efficiency will bring more people to the Shiba Inu community and its apps, which will lead to more burns and a rise in ship prices. Because of this, ship prices may slowly go up over the course of the year. The start of SHIB the metaverse will help this process along. The second is a virtual world with a Shiba Inu theme where people can buy, explore, and trade 100,595 NFT-based lands and a lot of in-game things. The platform's main website calls it the future of business, entertainment, and gaming all in one. The team behind it has big plans for it. When combined with Shibarium, it could lead to a huge rise in demand for SHIB, allowing it to move up the